Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to handle large numbers in your Kotlin code, but you're not sure how to do it? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of BigInteger in Kotlin and exploring your options. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to work with big numbers and you can't find the right tools. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge when transitioning from Java to Kotlin. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a BigInteger equivalent in Kotlin, or should I just import the Java class? This is a common query, and it's important to clarify the options available. So what exactly is BigInteger? In Java, BigInteger is used for performing arithmetic operations on large integers that exceed the limits of primitive data types. Kotlin, being fully interoperable with Java, allows you to use BigInteger from the Java standard library. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to effectively manage large numbers in your Kotlin projects. To address the user's question about using BigInteger in Kotlin, we can start by noting that Kotlin does not have a built-in BigInteger class. However, it can seamlessly use Java's BigInteger class. The user can import the BigInteger class from Java by adding the appropriate import statement at the beginning of their Kotlin file. This allows them to utilize all the functionalities of BigInteger. Next, the user can create an instance of BigInteger. They can do this by passing a string representation of the number they want to work with. This is important for handling very large numbers. Once the user has created a BigInteger instance, they can perform various arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using the methods provided by the BigInteger class. Finally, the user should remember to handle any exceptions that may arise, especially when dealing with invalid inputs or operations that could lead to errors. Fun fact: did you know that the largest known prime number has over 24 million digits? That's a lot of digits to handle, and BigInteger is perfect for such tasks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that you can use Java's BigInteger class directly in Kotlin. They emphasize that Kotlin is designed to work seamlessly with Java classes, so there's no need for a Kotlin-specific alternative. Additionally, they point out a bonus feature. When using BigInteger in Kotlin, you can use operators like plus and minus instead of function calls, making your code cleaner and more intuitive. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution for using BigInteger in Kotlin is to utilize a library called ktmath. This library provides functionality similar to java.math in pure Kotlin, making it suitable for multi-platform projects. Here's the tip I promised. When working with large numbers, always consider the performance implications. BigInteger can be slower than primitive types, so use it wisely in performance-critical applications. And there you have it. You can easily use BigInteger in your Kotlin projects by importing it from Java. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Keep coding, and see you next time.